and welcome to Beth's Best Hair. I am so happy that you're here with me. I am excited to announce that Paula Young is sponsoring this video tonight because I have a brand new style to show for you. I am so excited about this one that I am wearing. This is the new Bobby, and the color is AS2438, a brand new exclusive color called Ashen Silver. How about Bobby? Oh my goodness. Look at all these beautiful bouncy curls. I just love this bob with all these curls. And we have a bonus for you. We have this gorgeous lace front. It is just invisible. Look at this. It's so gorgeous. I know so many of you have been asking for more silvers and more grays. So Paula Young has listened, and I don't know about you, but I am so excited about this silver. Silver is so trendy, it's so modern, it is for all ages, and I just feel so extremely sophisticated in this beautiful ashen silver. I want to spin around so that you can see this gorgeous color all the way around, because I feel like we're also speaking to those salt and pepper girls who have been asking for that color. It has this dimension because we have the lighter money piece at the front and then a little bit darker mixed in on the sides and in the back. So let's put her stock photo here, and then we'll spin and we will compare. Look at these curls. And can you see this color with the highlights and the lowlights and the dimension? So pretty. Just a perfect length too. Look at the bounce. So fun with these bouncy curls. So not only is this beautiful wig available in the new exclusive color Ashen Silver, it's also available in all of 21 Paula's preferred hues that you can find in the center of your catalog. So if you like the curly styles, you love the lace fronts, you're gonna wanna pick this up in your favorite color, and maybe in multiple colors. I am so in love with it. It is so fun. So don't forget, if you want to go shopping at Paula Young and get Bobby, you know that you can use my discount code BBH20. That's going to save you 20% off of each wig that's $49.99 and over, excluding clearance. This wig is super light and comfortable. It's only 3.1 ounces. It's made of the beautiful Canacolon Whisper Light fibers, which are half the width of the traditional fibers. For the length, we have 9.5 inches at the front piece. We have 11.5 inches at the top and the crown, 10-inch sides, and an 8.5-inch nape, which gives us a little bit of a stacked effect at the back. So cute, so bouncy, so fun. With our lace front, you can do that off the face styling. If you wanted to sort of lift this up a little bit and get a little bit of a contour, you can absolutely do that because it is so well done. We have the light fibers mixed in here so you don't see any strong knotting at all. It looks super natural, beautiful. Just your total ringlet curls. I love that. So I'll show you the inside of this cap with the beautiful lace front. You can see the nice deep lace front here. Now that goes ear tab to ear tab right into that soft ear tab with the bendy metal stay. We have the open wefting so it stays cool on your head. Extended nape, of course the Velcro adjusters allowing you to cinch it in or loosen it up, but there's plenty of stretch So it's going to fit so comfortably. Let's put it on. Adjust my ear tabs, pull it up. Now this comes standard with the right part, and that is beautiful. I love that. You know that normally I do left parting, but I'm not set in stone on that, and I actually like this right part. I love the way the contour of the curl here. It looks so pretty. And it just naturally stays right off your face. There's nothing falling in your face. So pretty. It's a little bit overcast outside, but I want to go ahead and just show you this beautiful new color outside. I hope you enjoyed this look at the brand new Bobby in the new exclusive color Ashen Silver from Paula Young. I am absolutely in love with this style, and I think this new color is gorgeous. Thanks again to Paula Young for sending me this beautiful new style to review for you. I'm so grateful, and I hope that you all have a lovely day. Bye-bye.